Looking for a pocket-sized powerhouse? Today, we're exploring the best compact Android phones of 2025, blending sleek design with top-tier performance. Let's get started. Compact phones are making a big comeback, and leading the charge is the incredible Asus Zenfone 10. If you're looking for a phone that fits perfectly in your hand, but doesn't compromise on power and performance, this one is for you. This device is packed with 256 GB of storage and 8 GB of RAM, giving you all the space and speed you need for multitasking, gaming, and storing your favorite apps and media. It's powered by 5G connectivity, ensuring blazing fast speeds for streaming, downloading, or browsing the web wherever you go. But it doesn't stop there. The Zenfone 10 is unlocked for global GSM networks, making it an excellent choice for travelers or anyone who wants the freedom to use it with different carriers worldwide. Just remember, it's not compatible with Verizon or Sprint CDMA networks, so double-check your carrier before jumping in. With its sleek and ergonomic design, the Zenfone 10 is proof that you don't need a massive phone to enjoy top-tier performance. It's small, but it packs a punch, making it the perfect blend of portability and power. Whether you're working, streaming, or staying connected on the go, this phone has you covered. It's a perfect choice for those who love compact devices, but demand nothing less than the best. Let's talk about the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, a smartphone that brings flagship-level features into a more accessible package. This 128 GB unlocked Android smartphone is built for versatility and convenience, making it a perfect choice for anyone seeking power without breaking the bank. The 50MP high-resolution camera is a standout feature, delivering stunningly detailed photos and videos, whether you're capturing moments in bright daylight or low-light settings. And with a brighter display screen, your content looks more vibrant and clear, even under direct sunlight, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Powered by Samsung's advanced AI features, the Galaxy S24 FE offers smarter functionality, optimizing performance, battery life, and your overall user experience. Speaking of battery, it's built to last through your busiest days, ensuring you stay connected and productive from morning to night. As an unlocked smartphone, the S24 FE gives you the freedom to choose your carrier, making it a versatile option for anyone in the US or abroad. Introducing the Google Pixel 9, the latest in Google's line of flagship Android smartphones, designed to combine cutting-edge technology with effortless usability. At the heart of this device is Gemini, Google's advanced AI processor, delivering smarter, faster, and more efficient performance across every app and task. The 6.3-inch Actua display provides a stunningly crisp and vibrant viewing experience, making everything from videos to text pop with clarity. Whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching your favorite shows, the Pixel 9 screen delivers unmatched quality. One of its standout features is the advanced camera system, known for capturing breathtaking photos and videos in any lighting condition. With Google's renowned computational photography, every shot looks professional, whether it's a scenic landscape or a quick selfie. And when it comes to staying connected, the Pixel 9 has you covered with a 24-hour battery that keeps up with your busiest days. Fully unlocked, this smartphone gives you the freedom to choose your carrier and switch with ease, making it a flexible option for users everywhere. The Motorola Razr 2024 is a perfect blend of iconic design and cutting-edge technology, bringing back the beloved flip phone style with a modern twist. This unlocked smartphone, made for the US market, combines nostalgia with the power and functionality of a flagship device. With 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of internal storage, the Razr 2024 is built to handle multitasking, apps, and media with ease. Its 50MP camera delivers stunningly detailed photos, ensuring you can capture every moment in vivid clarity, whether it's day or night. The flip design isn't just stylish, it's practical, offering a compact form factor that easily fits into your pocket while still providing a large, immersive display when opened. As a fully unlocked device, it works seamlessly with most carriers, giving you the flexibility and freedom to choose your network. the Motorola Razr 2024 is more than just a phone. It's a statement piece for those who value innovation wrapped in a timeless design. If you're looking for a smartphone that's as functional as it is fashionable, the Razr 2024 is ready to impress. The Nubia Z60 Ultra leading version is a powerhouse smartphone that redefines performance and innovation, designed for tech enthusiasts and photography lovers alike. This 5G unlocked Android cell phone is built with cutting-edge features, making it a standout choice in 2025. At its core is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring blazing fast performance, seamless multitasking, and efficiency in every application. The 6.8-inch AMOLED display with a stunning 120 Hz refresh rate offers vibrant colors, sharp visuals, and buttery smooth interactions, perfect for gaming, streaming, or browsing. The Z60 Ultra is a game-changer for mobile photography, featuring NeoVision AI technology that elevates every shot to professional-grade quality. Its triple camera setup ensures stunning clarity and versatility, while the UDC under-display camera technology keeps the screen uninterrupted for a truly immersive viewing experience. Powering it all is a massive 6,000 mAh battery, delivering all-day performance. And when it's time to recharge, the 80W fast charge gets you back to full power in no time. Fully unlocked and 5G ready, this phone ensures fast, reliable connectivity on most global networks, making it an excellent choice for users who need top-tier performance and portability. That's it for the best compact Android phones of 2025. Which one's your favorite? Let us know in the comments, like, and subscribe for more. See you next time!